building our own house. Yan, at saka aircon. Yan, aircon talaga. Kasi ang init-init dun sa apartment ko namin before. So talagang, yay, great investment yun.
Of course, kasi yung rest is very important. Diba? Rest is very important. Kaya if you would remember, in our Play for Life game, meron yung wellness stars. Kasi importante din yung wellness ninyo, yung mental wellness. Kaya may shopping, may eating out. Kasi diba, it's part of what makes us feel good. And we shouldn't say no to that just because we're trying to save for something in the future. Ayan. So, what about you, Papa P?
Dami ko naisip. Pero syempre, you start with very minimal pay. So I really saved up. I didn't spend. I didn't get a loan until I had enough money to get us a small house for the family. Even if I didn't have enough money, I loaned in the bank. Pero I had to make sure that I had enough to pay for it, you know, in such a time that I could afford. So it's still practical, but you know, I made sure that we have a roof over our heads.
Yung medyo long-term horizon para ng tinitingnan. What about Mateo?
I think a few years after starting show business, when I was able to save, I invested my first property and I was able to give a down payment for that and loan the rest. And after a few years, I was able to pay the whole amount. Kumbaga. So that was one of my proud investment moments.
Talagang property, ano? Property ang
Ikaw
tawag
ulit.
mo. Ikaw, Carla.
Ang daya.